Hello, world literature! I'm here to explain the last part of your last project for World Lit. So exciting. So if we were like in class, we would be presenting these projects and giving feedback. So we're going to do that here too, but on Google Classroom, okay? So you're going to see under here part 4 and part 5. You don't need to like do anything new with this except post, upload, and like give comments. Okay, so this shows you how to do that. So here's your directions for posting once you've done all 3 parts of the project, and once you have edited them so they're your best quality, you post them to the stream. So all the directions are here. I'm just going to show you how to do it too. Okay, so you're going to hit stream, and you will see this tab that says like share something with the class. Okay, so you're going to share it with all of the students. I'll show you what I would write. Like you want to write like your name, final project, and then just like a brief message. So this is an example. So I would write Miss Hanson, final project. This is my project about the book Homegoing. Enjoy. Okay, so now you need to hit add, and if you hit Google Drive, it'll pull up your project so you can search for it. So I'm like, oh, here's my part 1. I also need to add part 2. There it is. And I also need to add part 3. Obviously mine are just like the templates. You should actually upload yours so that people can see. Okay, then you just hit post. Easy. Remember, you should have 3 things posted, all 3 parts, and then your classmates can comment, and you can comment on your classmates. When you are done, go back to classwork, and under this part, just like hit turn in so that we know you've posted. You need to do that by Monday, end of day. Go to it.